Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard, the Stamps of Life, and it's time for our next online class. Now, before I even say anything more, our classes usually 99% of the time sell out. And when it's sold out, Faylene gets so many emails, oh, I was gonna buy it, but I forgot, or oh, I wanted to buy it, but oh. Get it now. Do not wait, okay? Are you ready? This one is so stunningly beautiful. So beautiful. It is swans. Aren't they elegant? I just love them. Now you can make them elegant, but they don't have to be elegant. They could just be more fun if you want, right? But look how cute these girls are, and I call them girls. Look at the little wave of water. The world is better because of you. Welcome. Look at our fun little cattails over here, or pussy willows, I don't know what you name them. But look at those beautiful swans, little swan as well. Now, yes, you know, there are dies that match. Now, I was able to get in a couple little extra pieces of dye, so I added in a little extra. We have those little pieces there as well. But, my friends, turn this over, and there is also, I know it doesn't look like much right now, there's also a pond folded. Okay, so my mind is going, ah, because not only could your swans go on this pond, but other things as well. What if you wanted a little fish jumping out of the pond? What if you wanted a little crab walking by the pond? So many different options. Oh, what if you just wanted to put a bird on one of these little rocks or something like that? Oh my gosh. The class alone is worth that, right? Then you're also getting a fun stencil. Now we have cardstock packs as well for the class if you need some cardstock, but our online classes are so much fun. It's a time where we get together, we get to chat because we have the chat, you get to ask questions, I show you all these fun techniques, we make these cards, and we just have a blast. So if you've never tried one of our online classes, get one now, try it. You are going to love it. It's so much fun. It's live. It's going to be May 24th. Now, at 5 o'clock Pacific time on a Tuesday. Now, what if you have something that night and you're like, darn it, I can't get the class because I can't go to that online class that's live? Never fear, my friends, because not only is it recorded for you to watch as many times as you want, if you're unable to see it live, guess what? It's in your account. You get to go watch it as many times as you want if you buy the class. Perfect, right? So go check it out. It's our fun swan class. I'm so excited about it. Our classes sell out. Please get it early. I don't want you to miss out if you like it, okay? Heads up, 7 up. There we go. Boom. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.